Hey, how you all doing today, and welcome to another new series, Tegiwa Unboxings, where I unbox and give you a brief rundown on specific products so you know what's exactly in the box and how the product looks. But before we get on with it, if you have any suggestions on products you would like to see unboxed, then leave a comment below and we'll pick some out for future videos. But for today, we'll be unboxing the Tegiwa Carbon Fibre Airbox for the Honda Civic Type R EP3. So let's get straight on with it. So many of you might have heard of this airbox before, as it is a popular choice among EP3s. With its excellent performance gains, sleek looks over the OEM setup, ease of installing and the use of it in the Type R Trophy Championship, this airbox is the go-to if you have an EP3. So inside the box you'll get the carbon fibre airbox, the carbon fibre top scoop, the heat shield, the air filter, some mounting flanges, Jubilee clips, all the corresponding fittings over here, as well as you've got the choice out of 3 breather pipes, black, red or blue. And if you wanted to go with the corresponding theme with that, you can get the Tegiwa intake pipes. You've got blue, black and we've got red as also. Another recommended add-on that will help with installing the airbox is the scuttle inserts, as you need to cut out the OEM scuttle to fit this airbox, which you can find on our website for £33. So, the airbox, as the name suggests, it is made out of carbon fibre. So not only is it lightweight, it looks presentable in the engine bay, along with the intake pipe colour theme, which again, if you want to continue the carbon look, we also sell carbon fibre bonnets and spoilers for the EP3s. The filter is well made with cotton mesh, which allows superb airflow, potentially giving you an increase between 5 and 10 brake horsepower without mapping. But with a map, it sees a peak up to 15 brake increase and much improved mid-range. This is because the airbox is feeding cold air to the filter, which entailed brings colder air into the engine for combustion, meaning enhancing the power. But that's not it. These filters are designed to last through often services using K&N Recharger Filter Care, which you can find on our website for under £15, or you can buy a replacement filter for £76.99. And that's the Tegiwa airbox in a nutshell. Now on to some questions that have been asked in the past to help clear a few things up. No, this airbox features a drain hole at the bottom of the enclosure, allowing water to drain freely. Yes, our Tegiwa airbox is made so you can either use the OEM hose or the Tegiwa silicone intake hoses. Well, the VELCRO provided is to secure the airbox against the scuttle so it doesn't move without it being cosmetically disruptive. Roughly 3 hours, but if you're fast you can get it done in 2. Possibly, depending on the amount of requests we get from this video. And that rounds up this video, so if you have any questions regarding the airbox, then leave a comment on this video or contact us on our socials or through email websales@tegiwaimports.com and we'll get back to you on it. So thank you all for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.